all those tats. Bagay na bagay. Meantime, the rookie sensation,
Sabay hawi papunta sa down the line.
Ibanez, according dito sa ating for De La Salle, they're up by 2. And down the line, it's good for Ibanez. At ano kaya sinasabi nung Reyes at saka Sumagaysay sa aming laro?
Bello on the serve. Yambao combo. Ibanez!
Nope. Kaya kita mo, isa lang yung blocker ni Ibanez.
My
There you go.
goodness. Gold. Go to the back
Oh,
again
wow.
for Ibanez.
Tingnan natin.
Boink. Great dig again by Prudenciano. Ginawa siyang hurdle. Yambao!
Ang USD ngayon na nakikita natin it is working for them.
Yambao to Ibanez against a triple block, no less.
Tama si Tech Suter at saka si Denistan.
Tama. Back set. Oh,
Unbelievable.
celebrates this block. 6'5" against 5'7". No problem. Timeout. Yambao on the adjustment. Galing sa likod. Joshua.
Itong game na to. So talagang they're doing their best to get this set.
Ibanez with the answer. Ibanez!
Ibanez.
And he's in front.
Ang layo, di ba? Ang layo ng set niya. It was an underhand set but no problem. It was perfectly given to Ibanez.
Yambao almost. Ibanez! Match point USD!
Something that he could do something about. Ayan, may isang blocker, no problem.
It's like
We send us to our first technical timeout. Yambao, Ibanez, down the line.
Patay tayo dyan.
Ganda ng set. Nasa lubong lang ni Josh Ibanez. Great block. Hindi pa natin napapansin, wala pang binibigyan si JC Narciso sa back row. Sumobra na naman yung reception. Josh Ibanez. At dito, hindi pa nga tapos yung set 1. Back row. Josh Ibanez. Profit coming from attacks. Nakadalawang supalpal, nakaisang service. Ace, my goodness.
Yung buong pamilya eh.
And to think is part of that second unit. Oh, that one deflected. Ibanez fakes that attack. Good play!
UST. Grabe yung fake na yun oh.
Kung may top 5 plays tayo, bounce back immediately. Next point kaagad, nakakabawi na. Tulad dito.
Bon with a good serve. Generals up by a point. Josh goes to the back to zone.
Yung palo na yun, lusot sa dalawa.
Powerful no? And quickly,
ST kasi they've been successful in their middle attack. O, patong tayo kay Ibanez. No blocker there. Score, maganda.
mapigilan kaya ng UST. And of course,
Si Josh Ibanez, kung tumalo naman, daig pa yung matatangkad.
ganun din, di ba?
See?
And Josh Ibanez showing us some great net defense.
Wala tayong ma-pick up doon.
Kasi kung hindi ka desidido, after the game, as we see, Josh got
Pinapakita ng dalawang koponan na to. It's very high for collegiate volleyball.
Soft serve. Kakao to sa Petra, rejected!
Itong UST,
Good angle right there.
Ibanez. He may be short. Man defense na training na apply nila doon and even the blocking. And even the tied game.
Test of character for these two teams. Ibanez!
EAC, he scored 19 points.
Usual Josh Ibanez game.
And right now,
Oh,
joust!
Ball is still alive. Ibanez finishes it. Enjoying this action.
Nice receive.
Oh. Josh Ibanez. Ni Bryce, nakapalo si Jellard. Nice dive by Natnat.
Oh, shit.
Ibanez with the finish. Holding on to his right shoulder. Hope it's okay. But look at that finish right there.
Ibanez rewarding his teammates as well. Magkamali. Kasi pang ilan na nila yon.
That's their 6th error compared
Oh,
to the
wow.
2 of
Sa harap. Binato niya sa likod.
Sabi ni Ibanez, palak! Ibanez will try. Block again by Lyric.
One more for Ibanez.
Gustong basagin si
Oh!
Lyric. It's Drake Saavedra serving. He's at the back. Yambao to
There you go.
Ibanez. Ayun,
We were
likod.
just talking from Yambao. Floor fooling the blockers of FEU. And all of a sudden...
Uden Vega. Bota tayo nabot kay Lyric.
Oh!
Shot!
To all volleyball players. Bam. That's the advantage.
Set ngayon for Ken Batas. De Vega, Josh Ibanez.
Oh!
Ken Batas yan, mamaya. Tingnan mo. But look at this. Against 3, gets the point. Hirap.
Pa din yung performance.
One of the best in the business po yan.
Oh!
Ibanez!
Sa ilaw, kaya nawawala
Oo.
yung bola.
Kaya nga. Ay, wala problema sa seat.
No struggle kahit 2-man block.
Grabe, 5'7" against 2 6-footers right there. Gre, Pasinyo, tinigasan na yung kanyang serve. Ibanez, tinigasan din ang palo. Shadow gets to that one. Yambao to Ibanez again.
Left with only one block.
Already playing in the pros, by the way, si Maji Mangulabnan. Oh my goodness gracious.
Not even struggling on that one. See, oh my God, wait.
I won't say what your age is.
Oldest. Oh!
Side ng court na yan pagkatapos nitong palong to.
Nearly first line.
Napunta sa atin. Hey,
Sa kabila. Oh!
Mabawi naman. Sharp one. Ibanez!
Oh!
Sa Larzon, nilakasan na.
Oh! Why?
They go to the
Oh!
back again for Ibanez.
6-2. Apat ang abante ng San Beda. And talking about both teams, San Beda and UST. Ibanez, yung kanilang DNA, di ba? Leon yung isa, Tigre yung kabila. And look at that, Ibanez going.
Good coverage.
They go to Ibanez with a cross court. And again, he delivered.
Palo ni Josh Ibanez, hindi na deflect ng blockers eh. See? Who's right there?
Kung wala. Noy going to Ibanez again.
The pass. UST, kanina sila pupunta. Siyempre, si Maynard Guerrero para sa Lasal. Josh Ibanez once again. Ito na. Ito na Josh Ibanez.
Why not hammer it in? And that's what he did.
Diin na diin. And then ganun din ang gagawin ng kalaban. Eto sa inyo, Josh Ibanez.
Hit that ball. Look at that.
Mukhang nagmamadali ang UST, taking us into a technical timeout. Kagata. The push for Maglinaw. Chiboy De Vega is right there. Josh Ibanez!
Replay, no? When he goes for that full arm swing, even if you have two blockers in front of you, pag
Josh Ibanez! Take a look at this play once again.
Tax. Sinetak si Josh. Good dive by G-Boy. One more for Ibanez. Down the line. It's
bukas yung down the line, no? That's why nakita agad ni Josh yun. Sarado yung...
Balik sa UST ang bola. Josh, down the line. Chase na yan, na inatake niya si JM, di ba?
Oo.
In that same spot.
Kita mo yung bilis nung kamay.
Including the training programs with volleyball as his main, he hopes for the sport to be given more attention and more exposure.
Another good dig.
Back to UST. They go back to Ibanez. Too much power for Layog to Good serve by Del Pilar.
That's a good first ball.
Ooh, Ibanez with that. Another chance for UST. Yambao going to Ibanez. And he sends it home.